After publishing hundreds plus applications, I am here to help you. How can you publish Android applications in 2024? I have published hundreds plus applications and making them live on Google Play Store. My experience of uploading applications and testing and making live, I will share everything and I'll provide some tips how can you easily publish and making it live very rapidly within 14 days or 20 days. So it will be great video to you. I will provide also some privacy policy issues and explain them how can you figure it out and how can you skip them. I am managing and maintaining 10 plus companies Google Play Console account to solve their issues, rejection issues, removal issues, or suspended issues, and also another issues which one they are fetching. So I have an experience and you are going to learn from experienced person. To publish an applications, you have to create applications. You can use different language to build applications. I am not going to those path. I know that you have already created an app and making AAB file or bundle file. Then you need to app icon, app descriptions, which is short description and full description, app proper name, then privacy policies and some screenshots. If all of those are ready, then you can go to publish your applications. I will upload an app and publish and making it live from scratch, and it will be a new Google Play Console account. New Google Play Console account has a lots of termination issues actually. When you created applications, the account sometimes goes to terminated. You can see that this is a new Google Play Console account. I am clicking on create app. Then you can see that few options: app name, default language, app game, free or paid app. I am going to give a name for the applications. Which is a random number generator. Okay. Then clicking out, it's a app, not a game, and it's free app. Then confirming those declarations. Then clicking on create app. Okay. Now I have created app. The dashboard of this app is here. You can see that. So there are three things you can see that. First one is internal testing. So I'm going back and going to the app again to the dashboard. So you know that how can you go to the dashboard. So to publish an applications, you have to go to the testing section first. Here you can see that internal testing. Internal testing it, you can immediately publish your applications. I'm going to the uploading privacy policies and creating a new privacy policy on Google Docs. Google Docs is free for everybody. You can use Google Docs to a web page and you can push your privacy policy content on there and you can easily share it. You can see that I have created and opening it on the new tab. Then clicking on share, I have already created, making it for everyone and copying it, and I will paste it on the privacy policy section. Going back, next option is app access. My application has no app access. Going back, and ads options. If your app contain ads, then you can click on yes and click on no. Then going back to dashboard, content rating. Here is some questionnaires you will fetch. First of all, you have to provide your email address. And then provide categories of the app. The next option is violation, user consent sharing. According my app, I am going to all of no. If your app use any content, then you have to select this. You have to read all the thing and answer those radio button questions. Then clicking on next and clicking on save. Then going back to dashboard again. That means we have to fill up all the form. Then target audience 18 plus for my app. Then it's no. Save and going back to dashboard. Then news app. If your app is news, then you have to click on yes. My app not a news app. Then for COVID-19, my app not available any tracking option for COVID-19. Clicking on a dashboard, data safety section. This is the most important section to publishing your app. You have to follow all the thing and you have to give proper information for your app. My app, there are no user section, that's why I am not collecting any data. That's why I'm clicking no. Then going back dashboard, and it is not a government app, that's why I'm clicking on no. Then financial feature, not available any financial feature on my app. Going back to dashboard. Then you have to select app category and listing contact details. My app is like entertainment app. Then providing the contact listing, providing email address, then phone number and website. This is not mandatory, just email address is mandatory, so you have to provide the email address. Don't we can You should provide phone number, but I'm going not should putting it. Then there are no dashboard buttons, so that I clicking on all app, then going to the app again on the dashboard, and that done, and set up your store listing. So here you can see that app name, short description, full description, which I have mentioned before. So providing short descriptions, and for long description I'm providing it. and it's done. Then we have to provide app icon. The dimension is 112 by 112, sorry, 512 by 512, 512 pixel by 512 pixel. This is the app icon. Then feature graphic, I am selecting the feature graphic. Which one it is? Which one? Yeah, this one. Then we have to provide phone screenshots. I take a screenshot before, which is 3 screenshots. At this time I am providing same screenshot on tablet, and 10-inch tablet. You can also drag and drop those images on here. Then you can provide Chromebook image, or you can don't, no problem, it's not mandatory. It's done. Then I'm going back to dashboard again. Yeah, and just going to close testing section. This is the main section to publishing your bundle file. You can see that. Then we have to first of all create a country, then which country you want to available the app, which countries user can install the app, you can select from these sections. Countries, then clicking on all the countries, then select testers. If you provide testers list here by CSV file or typing, then you can provide it. Only those testers can install the app. The list name is just a name. I am providing the CSV file for the testing. Finding the CSV file, yeah, this one. It's uploading. Yes, uploaded. Then clicking on add email, and you can see that all the email is added. Then save the changes. Yeah, this is email list uploaded. Only those email addresses people can install the app for that close testing process. Then you can create your release, which is you have to upload your bundle file. Then we have to choose the NA sign in key. It's your integrity, or you can choose Google generated one. You have to provide the release name here. It will automatically take when you upload the app, but I have giving manually. Then selecting the bundle file, which is AAB file. App, then release out, yeah, this one. It will take few seconds or few minutes to upload the app. It's depend on your internet connections, and you can also change your keys to password in close testing sections. If you fetching errors in this section, then you can change the signing key. You can see that on the change signing key button. You can just clicking on it, then you will change it. the bundle file is uploaded, and next button is clickable on the bottom. Just clicking on next for the next process. One error arise, complete the declaration. You have to complete this declaration. Yes, and why you collecting the ID? I am selecting advertise of marketing. Yeah, going back to content, no actions here. Then I am going to close testing again, then manage track, and preview the, just clicking on release without declaration, it will be better. Then we will also change it in future. Okay, then send 12 change for review. It will take few days, and you can see close testing and manage track. This is in review, the applications is in review. After that, the copy link will be clickable. You can just copy the link and open on your browser, then you will see the app. But we have to wait for Google review. It take few days to few months sometimes, but in general it take 5 or 6 days to review. After reviewing it, you can install the app and test the app. You can change the testing list again. When I am coming back to the console account, you can see that one app is uploaded, and you can see the update status is in review. After uh, in review done, then user can test the applications. Let's wait for it. After waiting 8 days, the app is released. You can see that the app is released. That means first option is done. You can see that. And second option is my testers, 11 testers are installed the app, and when 20 testers are installed the app, then second option done. After the second option done, the countdown will be, see, you can see that 3 days continuously testing. That means you have to test now for 14 days. It's 3 days. After 14 days, you can see the apply for production button will be clickable. Okay, after testing, you can see that apply for production button, and clicking on it, and you will see the form. So I am fill upping the form. For the first question, I am selecting the first one. Actually, in this section, I am helping a account owners. Only account owner can apply for production. I have sent all the text, and here just copy pasting. First option is done, and second one is how easy was the request testers for your testing. Okay, it's difficult obviously. 20 people testing app for 14 days difficult. Then I'm putting second options here. One of my friend, and I'm helping him with a Google Meet, just copying the video from there to here, and providing third options here. Please don't copy those answers, because it will be a repeating. I changed every time the text. Then there are two options again. Who is the intended audience for your app? My friend is typing. Another option is describe how your app provide value to users. That's it. Then another option is here, how many install do you expect your app to have first year? I'm giving the 0 to 10k. And your production readiness. Why your app is ready for production, you have to explain it in the second option, and you have to explain the first option is what changes did you make to your app based on what you learned during your close testing. So we are providing this. We have changed some features which is not affect our functionalities. How did you decided that your app is ready for production? After 14 days testing, the production or the apply for production button is clickable. When everything will be done, then we will send to review. That's it. We are submitted the application. So you can see that we have your application for production access. It will take few hours to 1 or 2 days to reviewing the Google your testing process is okay or not. Then they will publish the application. You give you the access to publish your new bundle file or unlocked the production. Congratulations, your app has been granted Google Play production access. That means Google approved our reviewing, and now we can release your app and you can publish your app and make it live. You can see that there are three options: create, release, preview, and send to release for Google review. We have to send it to again for Google review, and Google will mail you as a congratulations, your app has been granted to Google Play production. Let's see the mail which is coming from Google. Here is the mail. Congratulations, your app has been granted for play production. And I'm reloading the page again to show you exactly. Yeah, this is from Google and it's for play productions. Now you can see that go to app dashboard. When we will click on the app dashboard, then it will take to the direct Google Play Console account. So I am Clicking on Google, go to dashboard. You will see the app dashboard, right? Okay. And you can see that the release your app function is be opened, and here you can see that congratulations, your app has been granted for play production. I'll not edit this app directly, I will publish the app to console account, sorry, YouTube account. You will see that. Okay, then here you can see that three options: create new release, preview, and confirm the release, and send the release to Google for review. I am going to create a new playlist to how you can upload your app on Google Play Store. You can subscribe the channel so that when I will upload the app, you will see the proper way to upload, test, and publish the app. So you can subscribe now. Okay, we are releasing the app. After close testing, you can see that three options in here on testing phase. We have to push in close testing, then it test performing, then the production function will be open. Without it, production function will not open, actually it will be locked. Okay, we are going to dashboard, then publish the app, create new release, create new release, clicking on it, and we can add the from library, that means we have uploaded before. Next, and here is the error, we are just releasing without it, then one warning, it it is not a major warning. Okay, then clicking on save, not for now. And you can see that if I go to overview and send it to change. Okay, that means your app will publish in few minutes or few hours or few days. Actually it take a few hours to 1 or 2 days actually for publishing. That's it. And